Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
A series of strong US economic data releases has helped ease worries of a recession, but with inflation still above the Fed's target, some investors are worried that the US central banks will keep interest rates at elevated levels for longer. Bitcoin mining revenue, or hash price, has slumped to levels not seen since the collapse of FTX in November 2022, while hash rate has reached new highs. The peak has seen network hash rates surging 54% from what it was at the beginning of 2023 and 80% over the past 12 months. In M1. A series of strong US economic data releases has helped ease worries of a recession, but with inflation still above the Fed's target, some investors are worried that the Chinese automaker BYD said its electronics unit had struck a deal with US-based manufacturer Jabil to buy its mobile electronics manufacturing business in China for $2.2 billion.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US JOLTS job openings at 1400 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1255 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Spain's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The French Consumer Confidence at 0645 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.